Welcome to homework.
We have two wavelengths. One is for red and one is for violet. For a light inside a diamond, we can write. So we are asked to find what is the angle of separation between these two lights inside the diamond after they are refracted. After refraction. So after refraction, we are asked to find. Let's say this is for red, and this is for violet. So I will write VO for violet and R for red. So the angle of incident both lights light is making or is 53.5 degrees. So 53.5 degrees. So we will write a Snell's law for this. So angle refractive index of air times the angle of incident here, which is a theta A, that is equal to refractive index for the violet. So we will write V here, V for the violet inside diamond times sine of angle of refraction for a violet. So we'll write theta V here, and then we will solve for a theta V. Here we are given the refractive index of air is 1, but we don't know the refractive index of violet light for a diamond. We can find that using a relation. N refractive index for a violet can be written as the wavelength of a light in a vacuum over the wavelength of a violet, V. Then we can plug this value here. After plugging that value, then our theta for violet becomes sine inverse times 1 times sine 53.5 degrees, the incident angle, over the refractive index NV. So NV we can write as the wavelength of light in a vacuum or the wavelength of a violet light. If we solve this, then we will get the angle for the violet. And then similarly we will do the same procedure for red light. The only difference will be we will replace lambda V here by lambda R. So we'll write here sine inverse 1 times the same thing sine. So this is for red, so I'll write capital R here. Sine 53 angle of incident 5 over we have the lambda in a vacuum or the lambda for red light. So better I will just use a capital R for this. So I will use R. By just plugging those values, then we can find theta R here. So angular separation between these two will be written as delta theta, which is theta R minus theta V. End of the problem. Thank you for watching.